Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Friday. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Happy Friday, guys. If you haven't checked out my projects, do yourself a favor. Go to the link in the description, www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right, you're going to come to this page, just peruse around, check it out, see what I got going on. All right, today I just want to do a quick update or review, if you will, on the #1 interactive digital marketing program of 2025. All right, you guys have seen me talk about the program since last year of March 2024. Right? So let's talk about it. But this is the deal. If you think you're too busy and your technical challenge, right? If you think, oh, I'm not really a techie person, or you're too late to get started on an online business. All right. If you think you're too late, and hey, it's just too late. I've waited years and years and years. I don't think I can ever start an online business. Well, think again. I think we may have something for you, right? So if you ever thought about that, this may be for you. Making money online can feel overwhelmed, confused, and you may feel like, oh, I may have missed a boat. I get it. So if you've tried anything before and possibly have failed at it, this may be something different you may want to take a look at. So I want to share with you a program called the Legacy Builder Program, your step-by-step roadmap to launch a real online business, even if you're starting from zero. All right, starting from zero meaning like I have no idea what to do, where to start. I'm new to all of this. This is perfect because guess what? No tech headaches, no social media following is needed, and no more wasting hours trying to figure out how to start this and do it on your own. This program is designed specifically for the newbies, the non-techies, and busy people. All right, if you're working your 9 to 5, you're just a busy person trying to juggle family life and work. You'll learn how to start making money online with this program. The training you're going to get, it's all about the training. Okay, we're not here just pitching how to make money. We want to provide you a training program, okay, that will give you the step-by-step blueprint on how, a simple way, okay, for you to build a business online. Okay, this is not an income guarantee, a disclaimer. I can't tell you how much you will make. Okay, can't guarantee anything. I can only show you what's been proven. I've used it and thousands others have used the proven system and it's been working for us. And we can share it with you, but you actually have to implement what the training provides, okay? And be consistent with that. That's what's going to help you get the results. Plug in, stay engaged, get in the community, all the things, okay? You can't just buy a program and fall back and go, hey, it didn't work for me. Or even try some of the strategies, guys, and people just quit after 30 days or less than 30 days. Hey, it didn't work. Okay, you have to stick and stay. All right, so that's what I want to show you here. So how are we going to do that? How is this program going to do that, rather? Well, you got your step-by-step program. So let's jump over here into the dashboard of the digital growth community system here. This is where the training resides, okay? Your products, that is, as well, right? So when you get started, you're going to receive an email, all right, from the company. It's going to be from Digital Growth Community. You're going to log into the system right here, all right, and you're going to be able to view the products that you purchased, okay? So I am a Legacy Builder member, meaning I have the $900 program. It's 4 programs, actually, all 4 of those programs. They have recently launched the 2.0, okay, where they've revamped everything. You've got new capture pages, new emails in your autorespond. It's like a fresh facelift on the program, okay? New responders, everything is new in there. okay? Except, of course, you're getting the training, all right? But this kind of just gives it a facelift after a year. And there's a lot of new trainings in here as well. But this is called the Legacy Builder 2.0. So at any rate, you come here, you're going to find the product that you purchase. So if you only purchased a $100 product, you should click on the launch pad. If you only purchased the digital mastery, that's what you should click, whichever product you purchased, right? So I have the Legacy Builder, right, program. So I will come here. See, there's the digital mastery. Everything is here. So I will click here. All right, and so it comes up, Legacy Builder Program 2.0. And this is where it begins. Welcome. Get started here. So this is where you would start. Okay. So as you can see in this particular program, there's 193 lessons. So this is where all your training is, how to set up your system with these video tutorials. Click here to get started. This particular Zoom is for the Legacy Builder Program members only, where we have every week a Tuesday interactive training. If you've purchased that $900 program, this is where the link is and the training replays. Okay. So, all right, launch kit for the online business. All right, so you just follow along the left side, okay, and you're going to go through each one of these. Your automated freedom machine, start creating your empire, marketing and social media, passive daily pay blueprint, discovery method, how to find and attract ideal customers, and so forth, right? Now, if you keep going here, let's go to the next page, because again, I want you to see this is where all the training is for you to start, right? All right, and then see here how to craft your message. Now, what you want to do, again, guys, just follow along to set up the system. All this is training, okay? You don't need to go through all the training far as how to promote the business and all that, right? Before you get started, what you want to do is just set your system up, okay? You want to do that first, then you can go back, right, and start learning, okay, all the different components that go with it, okay? Because I know a lot of times it could be overwhelming. People looking at, oh, this is a lot, it's a lot. No, your job right now, though, click get started, and then you want to just set your funnel up, set up your website, get everything going so that you can start promoting it, get it out there in the marketplace, and then you go back here, right, and start looking at all the training that you got, okay? So see, if you go here, your automated freedom machine, that's what you want to get set up. See, your automated freedom machine website set up. Here we go. Okay. This is what you want to do. Walks you step by step by step. And remember, for all of us that had the original one, in order to get this, we had to do this as well. The only difference is we already had our GoDaddy domain. Okay. All that was set up, but we had to go through this to get this set up too. So it's easy and simple to follow, just step by step. All you gotta do is follow here. This is what you want to set up, your freedom machine, which is the website, payment buttons, all that to get your system already set up. And remember, you're not building a website, any of that. It's already done. You just gotta plug in here what they're telling you. Get your domain, get your payment buttons, all this stuff here, okay? Pretty simple. Now, for those of you that may say, well, I don't really want to do all that either. Guess what? Right here, click Tech Done For You Services. You can do that if you want. And just let the company set it up for you. Tech Done For You Services. That's available as well. All right? But just take your time. Don't let this overwhelm you. But the point of the matter is, this is a simple system that you can set up. Doesn't matter if you're a busy person, you don't have any experience, all of that. All right, so you're gonna have this is where the products reside. All right, that's number one. Number two, you're gonna have access to the community, the digital growth community, where you're gonna get these daily videos from the owner of the company every day. Okay, Monday through Sunday. daily videos, inspiration, motivation on how you need to market your business every day. All right. Not to mention access to the classroom of all the trainings that have been created since this group was created. All right. And then where we are right now within the 90-day challenge. So everything is here. Then the calendar of events on what's going on every day, what type of training is going on, which is amazing because most programs doesn't give you this much value, right? Look here, just an example. All the weekly trainings you get, okay? Free webinars, mentoring, everything is here. We have tech calls for folks that, hey, that's having challenges with setting up their system. Look, Tech Tuesdays, okay? So everything you need here, basically holding your hand through this process step by step. All you need to do is plug in, engage, right? And then it's how many members are in here now? 51,900 members are in this group. All right, and everybody is very helpful. It's a global opportunity. There's people in it from all over the world, from 18 to 80 plus years old. So you're not too old if you think you are. All right, we've got folks that have done it and they're doing it. Following the system, of course, okay? It takes work on your effort, but everything is here for you. All right, and check it out. Look, get started training. We've got replays, webinars, social media training, mentoring Zooms, the content vault, all the components of everything you need is right here in this system. Okay? So with that said, if you're ready to stop overthinking and start taking action, all right, and you're ready to join the Legacy Builder program so we can show you step by step what you need to do, go here, www.coffeeandcoins.info. Click that link. You can get in there, or you can go to www.thecopypastemethod.com. Both links will be in the description of the video. All right, so we'll come here. We got 4 programs, something for everyone. Okay, doesn't matter where you are, get in where you fit in. The 4 programs, let's look at them. 4 programs. Let's go all the way down. This is the website you're going to get as well, guys. All right, this is already done for you. We don't have to create anything over here. So let's get down to those 4 programs, right? 4 training programs. They are the Launchpad for $100, Passive Daily Pay Blueprint $300, Digital Mastery $600, or the Legacy Builder program where you get all 4 for $900. Okay, and remember, it's 100% commissions. So you're going to earn instantly from whoever signs up from your website. When someone goes to your website, click that buy button, you're paid instantly. There's no middleman. So you don't have to wait on commissions or any of that. So you can earn $100, $300, $600, or $900 commissions. Okay, you got to own the product to be able to be a reseller. You have the resale rights to resell it. The owner has given us that. She's already created everything. That's the other thing. We didn't have to create any of this stuff, but we're able to capitalize on it because we purchased it and we became a reseller. All right. So you can earn any of these commissions if you're positioned. If you didn't purchase them yourself, you're not going to be able to earn the 100% commissions. All right. But again, get in where you fit in. So we got the $100 program, the Launchpad right here. All right, so if you want to start there, it'll be $100 plus $39. The website is the $39. The company is only making $39. Okay, it doesn't matter which one of these you pick, it's $39. So if you want to start for right here, the Launchpad, it's $139. If you want to start at the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, it's $339. If you want the Digital Mastery, it's $639. And remember, you get these, if you get the, say, Digital Mastery, you're going to also get the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint and the Launchpad. If you purchase the $900 program, you get all 4. And then you're able to earn 100% commissions on all 4 of the training programs, okay? Again, it's up to you, and you can always go back, okay, and upgrade at any time. All right? So there you have it. You can check out the Legacy Builder program again at www.thecopypastemethod.com. Link in the description. You can get started. You get instant access. That's the other thing. There's no delay. We don't have to email you. Everything is automated, which is great, guys, especially if you're new. You don't want to have to figure out, well, hey, somebody just paid me. How do I give them access? No, they're going to get access instantly when they pay you, and then they pay the company the $39. The company's going to email them. They're going to click that link, log in, and they immediately have access over here, which is where we were in the digital, what was it called? The Kabaji system. All the programs that I showed you in the beginning is over there. So they'll immediately get access. That's the program and the products that they purchased. And then from back there, they get access to the community. Just click a button, and then they're in the community as well, because they would have paid their $39. All right? Exclusive bonus. You get access to this community. This is powerful right here, because in here you can ask all the questions. You get all the support you need in this community. This is one program that I've joined where you really do get the support from the community, because previously, if you didn't, let's say you had a question, you'd have to go back to your sponsor specifically, which I'm available. But I'm just saying, most programs say, hey, go back to your sponsor. Ask them, okay? Over here, everybody's willing to help, okay? It's a team effort, and this community is great at that. And the other thing is, because it's global, you're going to always get support, because there's people in here from all over the world, right? All right. So again, you're going to get weekly live coaching calls, interactive sessions where you can ask questions, refine your strategy, get guidance from proven business builders, access to members that's already doing this. You get the school community, get all this training, step by step, what you need to do. And you get these bonuses that you see here. Okay, all these doesn't matter. Even if you purchase the $100 program, you're still going to get access to these bonuses. All right. So that's it. That's all. Just wanted to talk about that and remind you guys, this is a great program to get started. This page also, I like that with the 2.0, they have a lot of testimonials on here, because I know people want to know, well, hey, is this working for other people? Absolutely. And you'll see that in the community as well, where every day people are coming in here saying, hey, this has worked for me, right? And they tell you what they've done. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Just wanted to talk about that briefly. If you're ready to get started, go ahead and click that link below, www.thecopypastemethod.com. And remember, or did I mention it? You get a free system, so you don't have to worry about any monthly fees. Okay, the marketing system is included. The email series is included. Okay, all you're going to do is purchase your training program. Okay, and plug in. All right, thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell, so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.